Everything you see now becomes digital. Everything you do depends on digital. Everything you use is now digital, at home and at work. Transition to digital manufacturing is happening and becomes responsive, adaptive, and connected. What about your maintenance activity? Keep the machine running in a digital factory. Discover our industrial IoT maintenance management system for long and lasting uptime. Your maintenance activity becomes more real than ever. Using Keep the Machine Running IoT system, you automatically collect from sensors real-time data about all parameters of equipment and machinery. Operating time, vibrations, temperature, level, flow, and concentration. All this means power. Power to control your digital factory, its operating time and productivity through your maintenance activity. Discover Keep the Machine Running and all its features: corrective, preventive, and predictive maintenance, ticketing system, stock management, activity records and history, alerts, and real-time reports. Ask for a free demo. www.mykmr.com